Hello there, all you BidClips cats and kittens. Jim here with another clip review.
Regulators, mount up.
Here are the rules. 1 clip submission, 1 review. If you score anything higher than a 5, consider yourself lucky. Just gonna say it. This week's clip was submitted by Marie from Glass Doctor of Gold Country, California. With a name like Gold Country, this clip better be money. Thanks for the submission, you know the rules. 1 clip, 1 score. Let's see how she did. All right, one thing I love to see right away, this clip is actually a follow-up. In this bid message, you have a small header here that says, get ready for your new shower. Let's go ahead and see if we can make that a little bit bigger. I would put a before and after picture to show that you guys have done work before, give some examples, maybe even just in this template, put a couple of your Google reviews. Once you load it up one time, it's there always. So you don't have to do it each time. Look at this picture. You have the 3 panels, you show the notched return, you got the U channel. Very good job showing the customer exactly what they can expect. Now, second huge win for Marie. Let's take a look at the customer messages. Customer responds, and the customer says right here, I noticed you also do auto glass. Can the installer do a rock chip repair when they come to my home on Thursday? Heck yeah, we can, Mr. Customer. Marie jumps on that. She gets him a price, a solution, and she did the shower enclosure, and they booked a rock chip repair. Same house, same time. Great job cross-selling. Great job working with the customer. I don't see anything in internal notes. Sometimes it's nice in here to put what you've done, how many times you've called. This job might not have had any, but it's nice to be able to take a trail of the cost of the shower and a couple other details. But you know what? That's okay. Good submission. The other area that I noticed was the shop section. Glass Doctor's been around Gold Country for a long time. All I see up here is thank you for allowing us to earn your business. That's it. Take your cell phone out, make a little video, put it in here, show the team, show Mark, show yourself, Marie, show customers so when they first scroll through that bid, they see what they're gonna get from the Gold Country Glass Doctor. A great customer testimonial, a good one. Maybe have a customer just talk about their experience with Glass Doctor of Gold Country. Take a look. The customer not only booked the job, they chose the coating on the shower, and then right here, 11 o'clock p.m., the customer uploads $1,000 by American Express. That's how it's done. If you're not making money sleeping, you're not doing it right. There it is. That's a wrap. Marie from Gold Country sending in the clip, being bold. Great picture on the shower, by the way. Amazing cross sale to the repair. That's awesome. It just shows that you care enough to be looking and working other angles of the business. The only thing to work on, some videos in the shop section and maybe some before-after pictures in the bid message. All in all, I'm going to score you a 6.87. Great job, Marie. You just earned an Amazon gift card for 20 bucks. If you think that you can beat Marie and Gio, if you think you can score, put your clip where your mouth is. Send it, the reference number, to connect@bidclips.com. For those of you that want to find out more about our company, our culture, our product, go to bidclips.com. Have a great week. We'll see you later.